My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called AlienWare. Probably you have heard about the company called AlienWare, but this ransomware has nothing to do with this company. It's just the way that the ransomware developers have named their horrible infection. So once again, I want to emphasize the fact that Alienware ransomware has nothing to do with Alienware company. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts files and damages them. As you can see, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular alien where ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So it encrypts files and then it damages the files considerably. As a consequence of the ransomware attack, it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware encrypts files. The files will no longer be usable, they will no longer be openable. The ransomware damages the files, and it also tells the victims to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. The ransom note is titled as readit.txt. It also changes the desktop background, and finally it appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. You shouldn't pay the ransom and you shouldn't waste your money. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start thoroughly researching your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.